Hey everybody. So I began reading the Ethereum 2.0 documentation that's on CoinDesk, and you have to put your email and all this information in, and then you can click download and you get this PDF. And what I really liked about it is just I just had to say something right away and just be like, "Hey, this is great." So what I really liked about it was the two words "unstoppable code." So yeah, I'm not gonna lie. The first thing that I thought of when I heard of Ethereum was Silk Road, but without ownership, or just really it's unstoppable. Like the only way to shut it down is to get the private key and to actually shut down the contract. So it's like launching. The way that I looked at it, it was like launching a spirit into the ether, right? That's going to do something for you. So this is like matrix type programs that can run in a world computational cloud that really will exist until you have their heart, which is their private key. So there's a very real, like beautiful spiritual analogy to the idea of a perpetual non-owned entity, right? That exists, a smart contract, and that it fuels itself through its utility. So as long as it's useful, it exists. And this goes back to like Ray Kurzweil's introduction in his book How to Create a Mind, where he says, basically, non-interesting universes die, non-computational universes that can't actually do anything interesting. They're just they don't hang around because there's no observers within it to actually keep it existing. Anthropic principles, something of this nature. I can't. It's beyond my pay grade. I'm a software engineer, not a theoretical physicist, as though I love quantum mechanics. What I wanted to get to here is that, it literally its own utility would be its driving factor. And whether or not that smart contract would continue to perpetuate into all of time, quite until somebody was able to shut down decentralized computing altogether. So this is very interesting, right? So my first thought was like an unstoppable Silk Road. Right. So, but we see it in terms. I mean, there are limitations. It wouldn't probably be something like to that. I actually am about to start looking at the language.sol files that I found in SushiSwap. So I've been forking their projects on GitHub. I've been looking at Orchid. I've been looking at some other interesting crypto projects that are on the internet and just trying to figure out how they're doing it. And so definitely smart contracts are extremely potent. So because this guy, Chef Nomi, was able to propagate, I don't know, billions of dollars worth of value within minutes of coming, days of coming into the existence. So we're talking about like, forget like, oh, I have to market my app and people have to download it or subscriptions. This is a whole new, different way to get a return on your investment when it comes to being a computer programmer. You can now actually launch a useful entity, computational automaton into a decentralized cloud. And really all I needed to confirm this was the two words unstoppable code right in their documentation. All right. Thank you. Bye for now.